and welcome back to another haul video on my channel. This is actually my first ever Ajio haul, so I'm very excited to share my experience and everything that I got with you guys. In fact, if you're looking to shop online right now, Ajio has up to 70 to 80% off across their website, making it one of the biggest sales online right now. Plus, like I always mention in most of my haul videos, you can also make use of CashKaro, which is a cashback app that basically gives you real money which you can transfer back into your bank account for shopping online. Right now they're giving you a flat 10% on all your Ajio purchases, which is in fact over and above all the coupon codes and discounts already available on Ajio, which basically will help you save a lot of money. So if you don't already know how to use it, I am going to tell you that later in the video, but the download link for the app will be in the description box along with all the products that I'm going to be showing you guys. So it's going to make it pretty simple for you guys to save money as well as, pick out things that I recommend to you guys. So let's jump right into the haul without wasting any more time. So the first thing that I picked up was this Aeropostale T-Shirt. Because summers are here, I am trying to basically get more of T-shirts now, and this seemed like a really nice basic black color which can go with everything, jeans, shorts, skirts. So I thought it's a good buy, and it's great for like regular use. I picked this up in the size small. The material obviously is cotton and it's pretty good. I know you're not supposed to wear a lot of black in summers, but for me basic black tees are a must have whether it's winter or summer, which is why I picked this up. Ajio in fact has a lot of good brands that are not easily available online at some really good prices. In fact, Superdry is one of them, and I picked up like two things from Superdry. The first one was this Activewear Leggings. I am absolutely in love with the material, how stretchable it is, how breathable it is, and of course I love the design too. In fact, I worn this along with the tee. I'll just show it to you guys. I wore this in my fitness vlog. I don't know if it's already uploaded by now, but if it is, go check that out because I won this in that video and I absolutely love the quality. I got this at a great discount, of course. I am going to mention all the prices on the screen in case I forget to tell you guys verbally, so everything will be mentioned on the screen. And the third thing that I picked up was this Superdry tee. This is also very breathable. I love the design, of course. It has this net thing at the back and says Superdry, and from the front it's just plain and says Superdry. So both of them together look really smart and they are very comfortable. So if you're just starting to work out, if you are a regular gym person, I highly suggest you check out Superdry on Ajio. So the size for this tee was small. I got this in small, and the leggings were in the size, this is in UK 10 or US 6 and European 38. Both of them, like I said, are super comfortable and I absolutely love them. These also give you no camel toe, which is a great thumbs up from my side. In case you guys want to pick any of these products up, all the links will be down below just to make it easier for you guys. Okay, now moving on, the fourth thing that I picked up was this black and white checkered sort of a skirt with this little ruffly thing at the bottom. This is from the brand called Trendy All. I have never heard of this brand before. I came across it on Ajio and I'm pretty impressed with the quality actually. Also, it was at a great price. The prices will be on the screen and the material is very thick, so I was expecting it to, because I haven't used this brand before, right? So I was expecting it to be like the thinner polyester material, but it did not disappoint at all. It's a great skirt and a great pattern to have, and I think it looked really cute with like black crop tops or strappy tops. This was in the size 36. Now, before I move on to the rest of the products that I got, I'll quickly tell you guys about how to use CashKaro. The download link for the app is in the description box down below, and if you click on it, you will instantly get a 25 rupees joining bonus. Now, CashKaro is basically, like I said, a cashback app, and it has over 1500 retailers available on their platform. So they've got Ajio, of course, which has flat 10% cashback for you guys. They also have Myntra, they also have Mamaearth, Zivame, and like 1500 other retailers basically for you guys to shop from. So what CashKaro does is it takes you to the retailer's website that you want to shop from, and you have to do that to get that cashback. You need to go via that CashKaro app on the retailer's website to get that cashback for yourself. Now, if you want to pick up the exact products that I'm showing you guys in the haul and get that 10% flat cashback for yourself, all you have to do is click on the product link that you like down below, and that will take you directly to the retailer's website via CashKaro. So when you click on that link, you will basically see an orange button. You have to click on that and that will take you directly to the products page on Ajio's website, and then you just gotta shop as usually as you would do. Add any coupon codes. You will also get any discount that is already available on the website. You can also do cash on delivery if you like. Now, once you've placed the order, you can actually head back to your CashKaro account, and in the My Earnings section, you will see your earnings out there. It usually reflects either immediately or within 24 hours. Now, once your earnings in the app cross 250 rupees threshold, you can actually transfer all this real money back into your bank account, or you can also transfer them into Amazon vouchers. So I highly recommend, if you're someone who likes to save money, you should definitely give this a try. And if you do, let me know your feedback on the CashKaro app in the comments down below. Now, continuing with the haul, the next thing that I picked up was this really pretty pink color dress. This was from Berry Lush. Now, I have done a completely entire dedicated haul video on Berry Lush, and the stuff that I ordered that time was really good, but I'm a little disappointed with this dress because it's very transparent, first of all, and the material is also very thin, so it like sticks to your body, and it's not very comfortable. It doesn't make you feel very comfortable, but it's actually really pretty, and it's also got a bow tie back. It's a very cute dress, but the only issue is that it's transparent, and if it wasn't, I would have absolutely loved it. This was in the size small, but I think if you wear like cycling shorts under it, and or maybe something under it, you can make do with this dress, but it is definitely a cute dress. I will not deny that. The next thing that I picked up was also from Berry Lush, but I literally have no issue with this skirt. It's a really pretty cute skater dress in floral print, and it also has a lining, so it does not make it transparent at all. The material is also very good. Obviously it's polyester, but the lining inside is pretty comfortable, and it's not like itchy or anything like that. So it makes it a very cute dress, and I think it looked really cute with the black crop top. This was in the size 28. And the last thing that I picked up were these fur slides. Now these are basically, I got them for regular use, but obviously you can't wear it daily because it'll wear out. The fur will wear out pretty soon. This is not like really fancy and not very simple, like just in the middle, which is perfect. And I've always wanted to have a pair of like decent good fur slides, so it serves the purpose. Also, it was at a very good price, affordable price, so yeah, I really liked it. I usually wear it when I have to like step out, any last minute plan that happens, if I want to like step out for a movie very quickly. This is a great purchase for that. So that brings us to the end of this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I picked up around 7 things, I think 6 to 7 things, and I highly recommend most of them except that Berry Lush transparent dress. If you're not too comfortable wearing something too transy, you should not go with that. But everything else, I'm a huge fan, so a big thumbs up for me. Although I felt like the delivery was a little slow for me. It could be if you're like in a bigger city like Delhi or Bombay, it may reach you quickly, but for me, like because I'm an MP in Rewa, it did take some time for the things to deliver me. It was not as quick, but apart from that, I am pretty happy and satisfied with the discounts they're offering. So yeah, that's about it. Don't leave the video without hitting that like, share and subscribe button, and also make sure you give CashKaro a try if you do want to save some money. At least make one transaction and see how that works out for you. Also, don't forget to tell me your feedback on it in the comments down below. I am going to sign off now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.